Hi there. All right. What we're going to look at this set of lecture series is enumeration, right? And enumeration is spelled in that way. Enum, very old concept used way back when C programming was there. Basically, what enumeration is, it's as if you are creating a data type which has a set of values, right? And maybe I can give you, I can probably create like a data type called months. There is none like that, right? And in the month, you can have January, February, and whatnot, right? So enumeration is one of those concepts where you can create a list basically that is bound, that is assigned to a unique name, right? And you're able to loop through them and use them as a as a value. So for example, in order to use that, in order to create or be able to create your own enums, you have to import a module, right? And the first line of code you will do is from enum import enum, right? So that is the first thing you will do. What that means is that there's a module called enum, and you want to import the set of code that's defined in the class. All right. So like I said, we want to start building one up, and I can do a class in, let's just put months, and then in here you will put the keyword enum with the colon, just like that, and then just start writing your values. I'm going to say January equals 1, right? And then I'm going to put February equals 2. Let's just put a couple of them, okay? March is equals 3, March and APR is equals to 4, and May. Okay, let's just put 5 for now. Okay, so that is now our set of enums, right? Now, watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a print, and I can say months dot January, right? Save this. Oh, I didn't even save this. So let me go to my desktop, Python code, and all right, hit run, and you'll see it. Did I make enums, Mr. M here? I mean, look, it looked okay to me, but right, you see it prints month of January, all right, and then likewise, I can use, I can also do like print month.January dot. So that is, I can put a dot name, and I can also print value. Save these two. Go ahead and run that, and you see it prints the, each of the values in the enum is there's a key and a value pair. All right, you can simply print it out in that manner. Right. Other ways you can also do something like that is you can do print months and then provide a index here. Let's just put number 3 dot name. All right, and that basically would give you it will basically give you the third element in this set of enums. Remember one thing though, is that when we deal with indexes in that manner, sometimes you think that normally when we use array and stuff like that, it always starts with 0, right? The position, the first position is 0. In enumeration, it's not. All right, number 3 is March here, and so it's printing out March for us. All right, so now since we have seen all of these, I'm going to kind of put those down. The other cool thing that I really like about for M in, I mean, this is the coolest thing in Python. You can always I don't think this needs to be I think they should work. So M in months and then print. I can, let's just put M here and see if that works. Okay, you see how this can print the months. I can also put a comma here. I can put dot name, comma, oh, not there. Why am I doing it right there? This would go month dot name, and then M dot value, right? And take all of this stuff out. So then enumeration, put it here, hit that button, and you see it's printing all the values that's in there. All right. Okay, what else? So that is fairly straightforward. Fairly straightforward answer. So you might be saying, "Oh, how do I use this?" Right? You can say, if mostly enumeration is used in maybe comparison. So you can say if months dot January is equal to some number, for example, number 1, then you're going to go ahead and do something. So, that is how you use in comparison. You can put, months in January, that will give you a 1 to compare with. Okay. And let me see, what else can I, enumeration is so pretty cool. And or the other thing you can do is that you can say if months.January is so that will be comparing the months.January is not equal to months.February, which is correct, right? Then you print something weird here, they're not equal or whatever it is. But that is how you mostly use a enumeration. Okay, that is good. Let's go and see if I have some other example that would be good to go over here. So all right, so let me take this out and let me do another one here just to show some difference. So another one would be class, and I can do a sizes. This will make more sense. Put an enum right here, and then I'm gonna say a medium equals to M, and then what's the other one? Oh, I forgot. Let's just go like that, right? Large is equal to L. And then, I can also do print. I believe I can do print sizes here, or maybe have to convert this to a list, but we'll see. I think I might have to put that in a list. The message not defined. Oh, I'm going to put this in a quote, by the way. Right, quote, by the way, and then you can simply run this. And so, normally we're able to print, put a list inside a print statement, and it will print out the values in there. I believe you can change this to, you can do a list right here, and then change that way, and that will give you, be able to, lowercase l, right? And that will allow you to print all the items that's sitting in that enum into a list format. All right. So let's just see how to use them. I can simply ask the user something like, as in size is equals to input enter size, right? And then I can say something like if s is equals to sizes dot small, then I'm going to say, hey, print size is small, something simple and silly, but still that is how a lot of times you could compare enums. Okay, I think that's good, right? Hopefully this helps.